So we are going to learn a new chapter, Binomial Theorem. Binomial. What is binomial? Bi means two. So binomial means the polynomial having two terms. It's like a plus x. It is binomial. A minus x is also binomial. A polynomial having single term is what? Monomial. Monomial. Just like the 2ax, this is monomial. Then you learn the trinomial. Trinomial having three terms, a plus b plus c a plus. Then more than three terms, it is called the polynomial. These things you have learned in your 10th grade, isn't it? Now we are going to concentrate only on binomial having two terms. Binomial theorem. Binomial theorem gives the expansion for a plus b whole raised to n. A plus b whole raised to n. This n can be any number. You learned some formulas like a plus b whole squared you learned. What is a plus b whole squared? What is a plus b whole squared? A squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And you learned a plus b whole cube. What is a plus b whole cube? A cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cube. This is a plus b whole. Now what is a plus b whole raised to 4? Do you know? You have to learn. By looking at this, can you introduce what is the answer a plus b whole raised to 4? So look here, 2, 3, 4 like that it is coming down. So before a plus b whole squared, it is a plus b only raised to 1. A plus b whole raised to 1 is what? A plus b. Simply a plus b, do not change. Before that, let us put a plus b whole raised to 0. What is a plus b whole raised to 0? Any number raised to 0 is what? Okay. Have you heard of Pascal's triangle? Pascal's triangle. Have you learned? No. I will show you. First start with 1. Then 1, 1. Then 1, 2, 1. Then 1, 3, 3, 1. Now if you look at these terms and compare it with this, any similarity can you see? 1, 1. A plus b is here, it is 1, 1. It is coefficient of the term. What is coefficient of A? 1. Coefficient of B? 1. That is this 1 part. Next is coefficient is 1, 2, 1. That row 1, 2, 1. Next coefficient 1, 3, 3, 1. So it is 1, 3, 3, 1. Now these rows are interconnected. Look here. First start with 1, then 2 ones. Then 1. Then you add this 1 with 1, you will get 2. Then again 1. And in each row, number of terms increase by 1. Here, single term, 2 terms, 3 terms, 4 terms. So next we will have how many terms? 5 terms. Of that, here the more terms will be 1 only. That's sure. And this 2 is obtained as 1 plus 1, 2. And this 3 is obtained as 1 plus 2, 3. 2 plus 1, 3, then 1. So what will be this term? 1 plus 3, it will be 4. Then 3 plus 3, it will be 6. Then 3 plus 1, it will be 4. Then again. These are the coefficients of a plus b whole raised to 4. Now let us write what is a plus b whole raised to 4. What will be the first term? Now the terms also you should know. Besides the coefficient, look at the terms. Here, a plus b whole squared, power of a is 2 and power of b is 2. And the middle term you look, A, B. A has power 1, B has power 1. So altogether the power 2. So in A plus B whole squared, all the terms will have power 2. In A plus B whole cube, A has power 3, B has power 3, A squared B, 2 plus 1 power 3, AB squared, 1 plus 2 power 3. So in A plus B whole raised to 4, all terms should have power 4. So first term will be what? Just like A cube, it will be what? A raised to 4, because coefficient is 1. Next coefficient we got it as 4. So it is 4. And what happens to A? Look here, A cube. Then power of A is decreased by 1. A squared. And then again power of A decreased. But here there is no B. B starts, then power of B increases. That is the order. So what will be the next term? A raised to 4, power should decrease by 1. So it will be A cube. Then B should start. Plus next term, what is coefficient? 6. A again power should be less, 1 less. So it is A squared. B should be more, B squared. Next is what? Next is, after 6 it is 4. So 4. A again power 1 less, then B squared will be 1 power more, B cube. After 4 it is 1, 4. So it will be B raised to 4. Check, all the terms are of power 4. 4, 3 plus 1, 4, 2 plus 2, 4, 1 plus 3, 4, correct. Now what will be the next row? A plus B whole raised to 5. You can write the coefficient. First will be 1. Then 1 plus 4, 5. Then 4 plus 6, 10. Then 6 plus 4, 10. Then 4 plus 1, 5. Then again. So, what is first term? A plus B whole raised to 5, A raised to 5 plus coefficient 5. Power of A is 1 less. So, A raised to 4B plus after 5 it is 10. 10 A power again less, A cube B squared plus after 10 it is again 10. So, 10 A squared B cube. Then plus after 10 it is 5. 5 again A power 1 less, B power more, B raised to 4 plus then again 1. So it will be simply B raised to 5. This is the B raised to 5. You try A plus B whole raised to 6 by your own. A plus B whole raised to 6. Okay, let us write. This will be 1, 1 plus 5, 6, 5 plus 10, 15, 10 plus 10, 20, 10 plus 5, 15, 5 plus 1, 6, then again. So, first term is A raised to 6 plus 6 A raised to power 1 less A raised to 5, then we will start plus then 15 A again power 1 less B power 1 more plus 20 A cube B cube plus 15 A squared B raised to 4 plus 6 A B raised to 5 plus B raised to 6. You got the answer? Good. Like that it goes on. You can note something. Look here. All the terms are of first terms are of coefficient 1. Just like all the last terms are also with coefficient 1. How to find these terms? From Pascal law we know. But if it is a plus b whole raised to 50, 50, it is very difficult to write all these rows of the Pascal triangle. So there should be some general method to find a plus b whole raised to n. Before that, let us look at the concepts of the terms. Look here, power is decreasing, power of A is decreasing, whereas power of B is decreasing. Power of B is increasing. First is power with the 6, then A power 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, then no. Here there is no B, then B squared, B cubed, B raised to 4, B raised to 5, B raised to 6. Okay, so what will be A plus B whole raised to n? Now we are going to learn that. If we know this result, any number we can substitute. Okay, is that clear? Okay, what is A plus B whole raised to n? The binomial theorem gives the expansion of A plus B whole raised to n. It is NC0 A raised to n plus NC1 A raised to n minus 1 B plus NC2 A raised to n minus 2 B squared plus etc. Last term NCN A raised to n. The term just before it will be what? C n minus 1 A B raised to n minus 1. So what is general term in between? Let us write this out. Look here. N is the general term. We are going to write the r plus 1th term. General term is r plus tr plus 1 means r plus 1th term. So we are going to write r plus 1th term. For the first term, it is 0. For the second term, it is 1. Second term, it is 1. Third term, it is 2. So for r plus 1th term, it should be what? It should be NCR. Is it? Now look at the power of A. The difference between these two, n minus 1, n minus 2. Clear? So what will be A? A raised to n minus r. Then what is power of B? Power of B is the same number. B raised to 1, B squared. So we will have power r. B raised to r. This is the number. So you should by heart this result. No need of learning the proof. Just by heart also. A plus B whole raised to n is what? NC naught A raised to n. NC naught we learned in permutation and combination. NC naught is 1 and NCN is 1. So even though you have in the written NC naught and NCN, it is correct, no problem. It is A raised to n. You can start like that. A raised to n. Plus, but general format it is better you write NC. NC dot A raised to n plus NC1 A raised to n minus 1b plus NC2 A raised to n minus 2b squared plus etc. plus r plus 1th term is the general term. It is NCR A raised to n minus r b raised to r plus etc. plus last term NCN b raised to n. By using this result, let us do one problem. One more thing I want to tell you. How many terms are there in the expansion of A plus B whole raised to n? How many terms are there? Don't you remember in A plus B whole squared expansion, how many terms were there? A squared, 2ab, b squared, 3 terms. When you write A plus B whole raised cube, you got A cube, 3a squared b, 3ab squared, b cube, 4 terms. So when it is A plus B whole raised to n, how many terms will be there? There will be n plus 1 terms. So you write the expansion of A plus B whole raised to n has n plus 1 terms. The expansion of A plus B whole raised to n has n plus 1 terms. N plus 1 Then you write we already written the general term. Again you write general term. It is very important. General term r plus 1th term, r plus 1th term, tr plus 1. General term r plus 1th term, tr plus 1 is equal to NCR a raised to n minus r b raised to r. Now let us do one problem. Write the question. X squared plus 3 by x whole raised to 4. X squared plus 3 by x whole raised to 4. As it is raised to 4, no need of going to the generalized term. You can remember what are the coefficients of power 4? 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. So remembering this, that you can do. No need of going NC2, NC3 like that. Okay, this problem I am going to do with that one. For a plus b, as it is raised to 4, no need of going to the generalized result. We know the coefficients of raised to 4 is 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. So let us write, what is it? X squared, first term raised to power 4. First term raised to power 4. Plus, if we want, you can write a 4c1. 4c1 is 4 itself. So, 4 x squared, then power 1 is less. So, it is cube. Then the next term will start. What is next term? 3 by x. Plus, next coefficient is 6. Again, x squared, power will be less. Then, 3 by x whole square. X square, then 3 by x whole square, plus next is again 4 coefficient, x squared, again 1 power less, so it is power 1, no need of writing, 3 by x, it will be cube. Then the last term comes 3 by x whole raised to 4. That's all. Now we will simplify it. What is x squared whole raised to 4? A raised to m whole raised to n is a raised to mn. Don't you remember that result? Use it. A raised to m whole raised to n is a raised to mn. So x squared whole raised to 4 is what? X raised to 8 plus 4. 4 into 3 number. So it is 12. 4 into 3 is the 12. X power will be what? X squared whole cube. So it is x raised to 6. X raised to 6 by x. So it is x raised to 5 plus. Here it is 3 squared. 3 squared means 9. 9 into 6. So it is 54. Here it is x raised to 4. But down you will get x squared. So cancelling a raised to m by a raised to n, a raised to m minus n. So x raised to 4 by x squared. So it is x squared plus, this is 3 cube. 3 cube is 27. 27 into 4, 108. Then x squared by x cube. So it will be by x plus 3 raised to 4 is 81 by x raised to 4. This is the simplified answer. 2 by x plus x by 2 whole raised to 5. Next problem. What are the coefficients of raised to 5? 1, 5, 10, 5, 1. Isn't it? So let us write. First term 2 by x raised to 5 plus 5 2 by x raised to 4 and x by 2. Then plus 10. 10 into 2 by x raised to 3 into x by 2 whole square plus 10 2 by x whole raised to 2 into x by 2 cube plus 5 2 by x whole raised to 1 into x by 2 whole raised to 4 plus last term x by 2 whole raised to 5. Now we have to simplify. 2 raised to 5 is 32. So 32 by x raised to 5 plus 1 2 will get cancelled. There is 2 raised to 4 by 2. So it is 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. 8 into 5, 40. And number here x, numerator x and denominator x raised to 4. So in denominator x cube will come plus number 2 squared and 2 cube. So 1 2 will 2's will get cancelled. So in numerator 1 2 will remain. Then 10 into 2 20. Then here it is x squared, here it is x cube. So down x plus this is 2 squared and in denominator 2 cube. So down 1 2 will come. Then 10 by 2. So it is 5 x cube and in denominator x squared. So it is numerator x will come plus then denominator 2 raised to 4 and this 2. So 1 2 will get cancelled. 3 2's will remain here. 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. So 5 by 8. Then x raised to 4 by x. So it is x cube plus the last term is x raised to 5 by 2 raised to 5 is 32. So you know how to expand.